Hi guys, my name is Savannah. I'm the Assistant Greenhouse Manager here at Tallahassee Nurseries, and today I'm going to show you guys how to repot an orchid. What I have here with me is some fresh orchid medium, which we sell this here at the nursery. This mix is for Phalaenopsis, and it has bark, bits of charcoal, and big pieces of perlite in it. So it makes for a really chunky, airy mix that has really good drainage, which is what orchids typically like. So my first reaction at looking at this orchid is that it has really some healthy roots here. This silver colored root means it's a healthy root. It does have a few brown, dry, crispy roots, which it's fine. I'll just end up cutting these guys off, and it's not going to hurt the orchid. But I'm going to try to gently pop it out. And what you're going to want to do is remove all of that old medium, which is that this is coming out really easily. And a trick is you want to wet your roots, because that's going to make them more pliable and easy to work with, and it's also going to show you your dead roots from your healthy roots. As you see, the healthy roots turn green when you wet them, and then you can easily identify the bits that are dried up and dead, and then you can easily just clip those guys off. So that's what I'm going to do. You want to have clean scissors, and I'm just going to get in there, cut off anything that looks mushy or dried up or brown, because it's not doing this orchid any good. And this isn't going to hurt the orchid, so don't be afraid. I know a lot of people are afraid to prune their plants, but it's really going to help your plant in the long run. So the next step is to pick out what pots you want. So I've got two different size pots here because I wasn't sure what the root system was going to look like and how much space I was going to need. But we've got a lot of roots here, so I'm probably going to end up going for that bigger pot. Yeah. And another important step that we like to do here when we repot people's orchids is we like to soak the roots in Super Thrive. Super Thrive is a concentrated vitamin solution that helps with transplant shock, which, you know, getting in here and I'm messing with the root system, it can send the orchid into shock, especially if your orchid is in bloom, which this one isn't. But if it goes into shock, it might drop its bloom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my orchid bark, and I like to just put a little bit at the bottom. And I'm going to try to get a lot of these roots in here, and it's okay if they don't all fit, because, you know, if you think about where this plant grows in nature, it's growing on trees or rocks, and its roots are just out there. You know, they're not in soil or anything, they're just out there. So it's totally okay for roots to be outside of the pot. And if you wet the roots thoroughly, they'll be easy to sort of manipulate and get in that pot. And that is basically it. It's really pretty simple. And now your orchid has a bigger home.